Hello, dear crafter. Hope you're fine. Today I'm sharing a beautiful and heartwarming Christmas DIY mini Christmas table tree made with simple yet affordable materials. This teeny tree brings big Christmas magic to any room. There's sweet little story behind it too. So sit back, relax, and let the Christmas spirit fill your heart as we craft together. For the Christmas table tree, you will need a small cone or card sheet to make a cone, green twine, jute or yarn, pine cone buttons, a beads for decoration, hot glue, small fairy lights, and a piece of wood or cardboard for the base. These are simple things, budget friendly, easy to find, and perfect for a cozy Christmas craft. Let's begin by making the shape of our tree. If you don't have a cone, no worries, just roll a card into cone and trim the bottom to make it stand straight. This cone is soul of our tree. It will hold everything together, just like love hold families together during Christmas. Now happy a bit of glue at the top and start wrapping your jute rope or yarn down. Take your time, enjoy the process. This step always remind me that Christmas is not about rushing. It's about slowing down, creating memories, and decorating our home with love. As we wrap this little tree, let me share a small Christmas story. Once in a teeny village, there lived a young girl named Lena. Every Christmas, her family decorated a grand tall Christmas tree, but this year was different. Her father has lost his job, money was tight, and the big Christmas tree was just not possible. One evening, Lena sat by the window, feeling sad. She whispered, I wish we could still have some Christmas magic just like her grandmother, who was wise and gentle haired. She walked in carrying a box with a small pine cone and pieces of twine. Christmas magic does not always come in a big thing, my child, she said. Something it's fit inside your hand. Together they sat at the table and made a teeny Christmas tree, very much like the one we are creating today. They wrapped the twine, glued the pine cone, and added little beads for grandmother had saved for years. When they finished, the tree was not tall or fancy, but when they placed a single candle beside it, the whole room glowed, and for the first time that winter Lena smiled. The next morning, everyone who passed by their windows stopped and admired the teeny glowing tree. It became the village symbol of hope, showing that even in difficult times, love and togetherness make Christmas shine the brightest. Just like Lena decoration her tree, now it's your turn. Add small, add small pine cone button, ribbon, or any cute ornaments you like. There's no right or wrong. Whatever you happy belong on your Christmas tree. Place your tree on a small wooden base or a sturdy piece of cardboard. If you want extra sparkle, wrap fairy lights around it. This little tree will brighten your dining table, bedroom, or even your kitchen shelf. And just like that, our Christmas table tree is ready, simple, beautiful, and full of meaning. Remember, Christmas is not about how big our decorations are, it's about the love we put into them. I'm sure you like the video. If you like, so please must watch till the end. and share this video with your friends and family, and post your valuable and precious comment for me. And I always stated I really love to your support. I'm thankful to you. It's